Hello. Before we get started for our meditation session today, simply get as comfortable as you can. Tell yourself that it will be an enjoyable 5 minutes. Thank the universe for giving you the time to enjoy a 5-minute meditation. Try to quiet your mind. Take a few deep breaths before starting. It's time to relax, and for the next 5 minutes, I will help you do just that. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. The body, mind, and soul love to be in a state of relaxed bliss. Give them a treat by allowing yourself to sink out of stringent consciousness. For this moment, divest from problems, stresses, and worries. Everything will be okay in the end, and that's the only thing you need to focus on at this very moment. You are in communion with the cosmos, and you are safe. Welcome all the sounds around you, and embrace the good energies that hug you. Exist in a bubble of abundance and grace. Take in every last drop of calm and exhale worry. Breathe in peacefulness, grace, and acceptance. Exhale worry, fear, and negativity. Do not worry if your mind jumps from thought to thought. This is normal. Acknowledge the thoughts and then let them pass. You needn't hold onto everything, because everything changes eventually. What's stressful now will later be manageable. The universe does not give you more than you can handle. The natural state of being is relaxed and calm. Honor your legacy by letting go of the day-to-day issues. Let your soul breathe and touch the sun for these few moments. Sink into your space and feel it catch you. Everything is calm, everything will be all right in the end, you are safe. Breathe in peace. Now do it again. Keep going. Only allow calmness and peace into your field. You are relaxed, and you can handle anything that comes your way. Trust in your power and walk confidently through the rest of the day. Take 3 more deep breaths. Slowly open your eyes. Thank you for practicing this meditation.